You're so cute. Say good morning.
Morning.
What are you guys eating?
Yum yum.
Yum yum. You like yum yum?
Huh?
Is that your favorite?
Huh?
Zaylee. Zaylee, what are you eating?
Kaka.
Cracker?
No. See. Yum yum.
Yum yum. What are you watching, Ellie?
Watching Cooper.
You're watching Clifford?
Huh?
So, what's your favorite show now?
Huh?
What do you like to watch the best? Clifford? Dora? Blue's Clues? Yo Gabba Gabba? Oh, look at Zaylee. She's so cute.
Yeah. Dora.
Dora's still your favorite? Did you get a Dora toy the other day?
Huh?
So cute. So they had their morning breakfast. It's about 10 o'clock now, and they're eating their little snack. Then we're going to get ready and hit the gym in a little while.
Hey.
Wow, look at you got chocolate on your face. Like a little Hitler.
Kaka.
My little Hitler.
No. Eat. Puppies.
All right,
Mama,
sissy.
I want.
Good girl.
Mama. Yum yum. Mama, yum yum.
You want more yum yum? Okay. Say bye to the camera.
Bye, Mama.
Oh, actually, give Sissy a hug first. Aw, can you give her a kiss too?
Ma.
Thank you. Huh? Oh, did you sneeze on your sister? Give her a hug. Aw, you guys are so cute. Say bye.